Right, just getting ready for the soiree tonight at the chateau. Not going to go for long because I've got to be up like early. Like, is there any point even going to bed early? So, just going to pop there, have a beer, say hi, get some vlog content, and then go. So they said get here for 7:30. Is the chateau full of girls going to be ready at 7:30? No. I'll get there for 8, I think. And I think even that will be relatively optimistic. Well, good night. Stayed a bit too longer than I wanted to. It's that time. I was going to edit when I got home. Definitely not going to do it now. Couple of hours sleep. And head to the doing. Right, so we're on our way. We're a little bit late because Matt forgot to give me my wake-up call this morning. He gave me it a bit late.
So he turned up an hour and a half late.
An hour late.
4 o'clock I called you. And you
I got there at 5?
No, you didn't.
I did?
You got there at about 5:15. So an hour and a quarter, I'll meet you in the middle.
Anyway, he forgot to give me my wake-up call. So how far are we now? 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Today's job for Mr. Daniel here, I'm going to teach him how to install a swimming pool. Well, do the donkey work first. So it should be a good day.
You know how to install one yourself, though?
No, I haven't got a clue. So it should be a good day. We're hoping it's going to be a good day. There's going to be no problems. But you can't tell when young Daniel is helping you. Things always go wrong.
Or when Matt cons you into working for him and then says you got to get up at 4 in the morning and it's 4 hours away. Oh yeah, I'd love to give you a hand, yeah. And the van only goes 20 miles an hour. Whew. Definitely time for a beer. See you tomorrow. Bye.